Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off spell checking in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to turn on or turn off spell checking in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly click on start. Click on settings. After click on devices. Click on typing and here option spelling. So if you want to turn on, so slash to on position, and if you want to turn off, so slash to off position. If you want to turn on, so slash to on position. There is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn on or off spell checking in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.